The dumbbell flat bench press with feet on bench is an exercise that primarily targets the muscles in the middle and lower chest. Putting your feet on the bench increases core engagement and stabilization. However, it reduces the amount of weight you can lift due to the decreased stability in the lower body. Here's how to do it correctly. Sit on the end of the bench with a dumbbell in each hand resting on your thighs. Carefully lie back on the bench, bringing your feet up onto the bench. If your bench is long enough, ensure the entire platform of your feet are flat on the bench for stability, or at the very least your heels. Hold the dumbbells at your shoulders with your palms facing forward. Your upper arm should be at about a 45-degree angle to your torso. Retract your shoulder blades by squeezing them together and pressing them into the bench to create a stable base for the press. Tighten your core to maintain stability and prevent your lower back from arching excessively. Exhale and press the dumbbells upward in a controlled manner until your arms are fully extended but not locked out. The dumbbells should move in a slight arc and meet above your chest. Inhale, then under control, slowly lower the dumbbells back down to the starting position at your shoulders, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your torso. Repeat for reps. After your final rep, carefully bring the dumbbells back to your thighs as you sit up, then place them on the floor. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.